Today, I'll show you how to change page orientation in Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Make sure you are using the latest version of Acrobat, because the newer layout may show page tools inside the All Tools panel on the left side. Now open the PDF file where you want to change the page orientation. If you only want to rotate how the page looks on your screen, go to the top toolbar and choose the Rotate View option. You can rotate the view clockwise or counterclockwise. This is useful for reading a sideways page, but it does not always permanently change the PDF page itself. If you want to permanently change the page orientation, open All Tools. Then choose Organize Pages. Now you will see thumbnails of all pages in the PDF. Click the page you want to rotate. If you want to rotate multiple pages, hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac, and select the pages you need. You can also select a range of pages if your version shows that option. Once the pages are selected, click the Rotate Clockwise or Rotate Counterclockwise button. For example, rotate the page to change it from portrait to landscape or from landscape back to portrait. Check the preview carefully and make sure the page is facing the correct direction. If you rotated the wrong page, click the opposite Rotate button to fix it. After the pages look correct, save the file. Click File, then Save. If you want to keep the original PDF unchanged, choose Save As and create a new copy. This is the safest option when editing important documents. If you need to change the actual paper size or page layout, that is different from rotation. For that, you may need to print to PDF with a different page setup, or edit the original document before exporting it again. So, to keep it simple, use Rotate View if you only want to change how the PDF looks temporarily. Use All Tools, then Organize Pages if you want to permanently rotate pages and save the new orientation. And that's how you change page orientation in Adobe Acrobat. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.